Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a custom form field on System.io. This is incredibly useful when you want to collect specific information from your audience that goes beyond the standard name and email fields. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to System.io. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find several navigation options. Click on CRM, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Contacts. This section is where you manage all your contact information and customize the data you collect. Now look over to the right panel of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Plus Create Contact. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up the contact creation interface where you can add new fields tailored to your specific needs. Within this interface, you'll notice an option that says Plus Add New Custom Field. Click on this to begin creating your custom field. A text box will appear prompting you to enter a name for your custom field. Type in the field name that represents the information you want to collect. For example, TikTok URL. Once you've entered the name, click Save to confirm and store this new custom field in your system. This field is now available for use across your funnels and forms. Next, navigate back to the top toolbar and click on Sales Funnels. This is where you'll create the actual funnel that will use your new custom field. In the upper right corner of the screen, click the Plus Create button to start building a new funnel. You'll be prompted to type in a name for your funnel in the field provided. Choose something that clearly identifies the purpose of this funnel, then proceed to the next step. Click on Build an Audience, which is one of the funnel type options available. After selecting it, click Save to establish this funnel in your account. Once saved, you'll see your newly created funnel appear in your list. Click on the funnel you just created to open it and begin customizing. You'll now be presented with various templates to choose from for your funnel page. Select the template that best suits your design preferences and needs. After selecting a template, look to the right panel and click Edit Page. This brings you into the Page Builder where you can customize every element of your funnel page. On the left panel, you'll find a variety of elements you can add to your page. Locate the form input element and drag it onto your canvas where you want it to appear. Click on the form input you just placed to access its settings. In the left panel, navigate to the Input Type section. Below it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and scroll through the options until you find the custom field you created earlier, such as TikTok URL. Select it to assign this custom field to your form input. You can also customize the placeholder text that appears inside the form field. Simply type in the placeholder field to give users a hint about what information to enter, for example, TikTok. If you'd like to adjust the alignment of your form input, you have options such as left, center, or right. Choose the alignment that works best with your page layout. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Save in the upper right corner to apply all your changes. Your custom form field is now live and ready to collect the specific information you need from your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.